Hey everybody, this is Ethan Strockman with ADHD WoodShop. I'm here to introduce you to the shop and myself. We're here to go ahead and create a bunch of woodworking projects just for the fun of it in my garage shop. This here is the garage. All kinds of different tools and equipment laying around here just to, do some fun little projects, big projects, small projects, anything in between. As of right now, because the ADHD is strong here, we got a couple different little guys kind of working around here right now. First off, creating a custom guitar for a buddy of mine in the band that I'm in called the Biscuits. Go ahead and check them out on YouTube as well. Link in the description. We're a punk ska band, just trying to get out there, but creating a custom guitar for him, and see how that goes. Document what we're doing and see how we get along the way. Other things we're doing are little boxes. This one is for TCG card games. Might make something a little bigger for, my daughter or something like that. And then we are also working on a movable kitchen island with an epoxy pour in the center of it. This is going to be the top of it. I got the sides and the back off to the side here right now. They're kind of big. But also things like some stuff kicking around are a custom wooden epoxy desk for the office upstairs with my PC actually built into the desk. And we're gonna go ahead and make some drawings, talk it over, see if you guys want to put some input in. It'd be great. Any ideas you guys might have, you want to see me try to make, would be fantastic. Also looking at, doing cutting boards and shelvings and maybe even some coffee tables, side tables, maybe a couch. We might build a couch. Who knows? Also things like going and fixing or updating or retrofitting or getting stuff to work. Some of the tools. I have a radial arm saw behind the camera here that I've had sitting there for about 1.5 years now. That I still don't even know if it works. I need to run some electrical line for it and everything like that. So that might be a nice little video of, running the electrical, seeing if it works, getting it all nice up and running, polished, rebuilt, and cleaning up some of the other tools that are in here, some of the older stuff that I have just kind of laying around. Facebook Marketplace and knowing people is always a good thing. So like I said, the ADHD strong here, that's why I took the name like that, and we'll see how things go. So if you want to, please join, like, subscribe, do all the fun little things to see where the journey goes, how things go, where it takes us. That'd be fantastic. So if you want, go ahead, grab yourself a drink, have a seat, join me, and let's create some awesome woodworking projects. Thanks, guys. See you later.